What's up guys, it's me, Mike. My name is Mike and I love me. Get your smokers fired up because today we are smoking some Elk Medallions. Let's do it. Elk Medallions, a delicious lean meat. I'm excited for this one. I'm keeping this really simple because I'm adding a blackberry wine sauce to these medallions once we pull them out of the smoker. Nice and simple. Some salt and pepper, equal parts. Get them all nice and seasoned and covered up. Flip them over and get the other side of your medallions covered in salt and pepper. Make it rain. And that's it, nice and easy. If you're not gonna put the blackberry wine sauce on these, cover it in a little bit of olive oil, some garlic, some thyme, some rosemary, give it a little bit more flavor. But when you're adding that kind of sauce, some salt and pepper is gonna do the trick. Let's go pop these in the smoker. So we're out here at the smoker. I got her set at 225, so pecan wood rolling hard. Again, elk is really lean, so it's not gonna take long. We're looking for an internal temp of 130. I got my Inkbird monitoring my temps, so stay close to your smoker, and when they're ready, we'll pull them and we'll eat. You know, sometimes I just love a quick, easy smoke, and there's nothing better to do a quick, easy smoke with than some good elk medallions. I pulled these right at an internal temp of 130, tented them in foil for about 10 minutes, and I'm ready for some elk. And look at that. That is a nice, beautiful rare. That looks a little bit too red for you. This is a judgment-free zone. Take your internal temp to 140 to give you a good medium rare. But I pulled it at 130 because to me, that's gorgeous. And to make it even better, I have some homemade blackberry wine sauce. Just put it all across your elk medallions. It's just so beautiful. Gotta plate it, make it look nice. Ain't nothing left to do now but take a good bite. So tender, so moist. Yeah, I said it moist because it is. For the love of God, don't dry out your elk in the smoker. Pull it at a good temp. Again, I did 130. Don't go anything past 140. Seriously. Unreal. Put them in your smoker, add this blackberry wine sauce to it. Let me know how it turns out, but you will not be disappointed. Stay tuned for the next video.